Welcome back. Now, with the ChatGPT Plus account, one element that will affect your prompting will be your custom instructions. And if you click on this area that says custom instructions, when you click on your profile, you will be able to program ChatGPT for every prompt that you generate. We're going to click on custom instructions. You're going to see two areas, and each of those areas have 1,500 characters that you can write in. The first set of instructions, basically what you're going to do is you're going to give ChatGPT the opportunity to know what it is that you're going to be discussing in this conversation. And if you want examples, you can hover over this area and ChatGPT will then give you a link where you can see exact examples of custom instructions. But it's a good idea to write your custom instructions so that you can determine how ChatGPT will respond to your custom instructions. And once you complete your custom instructions, we're going to keep this enabled for new chats. We're going to click Save. We're going to write in a sample prompt. We're going to click Enter. Now, assuming that we choose to use the custom instructions that we have here for new chats, and we make sure that the custom instructions are saved for new chats, what you'll see here is when you start a new chat and you open up a new window, what you're going to find is that ChatGPT understands the context. And so basically by using custom instructions, you have created a new context. So what we're going to do here is we're going to ask ChatGPT if it knows the context for this conversation. And if we click enter, what you're going to see is that ChatGPT knows the context that we created with custom instructions. Now, if we can go back to custom instructions, if we click on custom instructions and we disable it for new chats, and then we save it, what we'll do is we will open up a new conversation and we will write in the same question. And we will then click enter. And what you're going to see is that ChatGPT no longer knows the context or the conversation. So basically, when we use custom instructions, we can dictate the context for our conversations until we decide to change it. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.